Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. This is my formal parterre. It's one of the few areas of my garden which is formal. It's Buxus sempervirens, and it sits right at the front of my cottage, and I can see it from all three of the windows on the front of the cottage. But I especially like the view every morning when I wake up and look down on this from the bedroom. Now, it being Buxus, you've got to be aware of the fact that it can get blight and it can get box tree caterpillar, but I've been lucky so far. This has been in for 3 years. And there are certain things I do to try and prevent box blight. And that is, I don't prune it too tightly. I keep it airy and light and open so that the ventilation can get through it. But I do prune it. I prune it once a year. And today is the day I'm going to give it a prune. It needs tidying up and it will benefit from a prune, and by taking some of the foliage away it'll stop it transpiring too much in this hot weather, and then it can start to recover before autumn. Now, I've been sent this little hand tool. It's a brilliant thing. I've already used it several times for my olive trees which I topiarized. It's incredibly lightweight. The battery is in the handle. And the challenge is, will that battery have enough power to do all this parterre in one go? I think it will, but we're about to find out. I've had that on full charge and it's fully charged because the charging indicator is green at the end. I've got two different attachments. I've got one which is actually for grass edging and a little hedge trimmer here. So I'll be using both of those. I will probably do a lot of this in fast forward because you would get bored if you wanted to see me do all this in real time. And then at the end, I will report back. This is from a company called Snap Fresh Tools, and I will put a link to this in the description box below this video. It's very lightweight. I think my mother-in-law will be able to use this on her hedge. She has a bad shoulder, but it is incredibly light. And I hope that the lightness is not at the expense of the battery. I don't think it is. We're about to find out. Right, let's get pruning. I don't have any specific plan for doing this. I'm just going to prune it, neaten it up, and not take too much off. I don't want it to be too tight, but I will start off here along this long line. That might make an interesting shot for you to watch, and we'll go from that end towards the camera, and we'll see how we get on. I'm going to use the hedge trimmer attachment. Very easy to change these attachments. You just pinch two buttons on either side, and then snap on the other attachment. It's got two buttons. It's got a safety feature here. It's got two buttons, a trigger and a button on top, and you've got to depress both in order for it to work. And when they are both pressed, it does work. Right, let's go. Let's start up here. Very pleased so far. I will just go along and just neaten up some of the bits it didn't catch. Yeah, happy with that. I think the next thing I do is the top. My neighbour's dog Maggie's just arrived. Maggie, come on. Come and have a word. Maggie is the pooch that's been stealing my hedgehog food. Come on in, you. We do love her though. Let me come a bit close. Come on, Maggie. Come and say hello. Come here. Come on. You know you're going to be a star on YouTube. Come on. She's very timid and very shy, except in the middle of the night when she's stealing my hedgehog food. Come on, baby. Come on, now don't be coy. Here she is. She's a very elderly Jack Russell, and isn't she adorable? And she's supposed to be demented. Yes, you're talking to me. But I don't think she's got too bad a dementia problem, because every night when I put cat food down for the hedgehogs, she appears on my camera, don't you? Yes, you do. Anyway, listen, I've got a job to do, so I'll come back to you later. All right. Gorgeous. Right, let's get trimming. I'm going to do the top. Take the top off this long edge again. I think we'll put you on the other side of the fence where you're safe. Is that all right, little lady? Good girl. So that's all of this side trimmed, and if I check the battery indicator, which you do by looking at that light when it's running. It's still green, which means it's still over 80%. I'm going to do the other side and then both ends before I tackle the middle bits. I'll give you that in fast forward. Well, that job is done. It's taken me less than half an hour with this Snap Fresh tool. I'm very pleased with it. Very lightweight. I'm not suffering any fatigue. I will be giving this parterre a whole tub of slow release. It's had quite a bashing with this trimmer, so it needs to recover. Do this on a dry day. Blight loves damp conditions, so damp can help it spread. And also don't forget to pick your trimmings up. Have a look at that. There's a link below this video. Thank you, Snap Fresh. I'm very pleased. I'm going to try it with my mother-in-law. She's got a very bad shoulder and it's very lightweight, so I think she can cope with that on her small hedge between her and her neighbour. I'll try that later tonight. See you soon for some more parterre trimming adventures. Bye for now.